can't go wrong moving into this neighborhood. It's beautiful and you can build exactly what you want. I shot drone of every gated neighborhood in Southlake, Texas, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you my top picks. Now, if you want the full list, you can go to southlakedream.com/gated or click the link below to get all the video footage that I got over this last week. First up is Saddleback Ridge. This is one of my favorite communities in all of Southlake, Texas, because it's in north of 114, and so it's in a quiet, secluded area, not too far from the lake. Bob Jones Park is right next door, and it's on 1 acre lots, and they're new homes, which I love. These homes range from $3 to $5 million, and the square footage can range from 5 to 8,000 square feet. Most of these homes have 5 bedrooms and 7 baths and 4-car garages. Next up is Moss Farms. Listen, this is a 1-street neighborhood, but if you can score a home in Moss Farms, you'll be doing great. The homes here range from 3 to 6 million, and they're on 1 acre lots as well. It's a treed neighborhood. They typically have 5 to 6 bedrooms with an average of 7 bathrooms and 4-car garages as well. The HOA fees here are $3,000 a year. Next up is Crescent Heights. Again, a new neighborhood, beautiful homes. They range from 3 to 4 million as well, but these lots are a little smaller on 1/2 acre lots. What I love about this neighborhood the most, besides the homes of course, is the convenience factor. It's right off Southlake Boulevard and near the town square and all the shopping, Central Market, Trader Joe's, all of the great conveniences. Most of these homes have 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, and a 4-car garage. The thing that I think is a little negative about this neighborhood is because it sits right off 1709 Southlake Boulevard, it could get pretty noisy on those homes that back up right up to the boulevard. This next one I thought was beautiful when I was shooting the drone. It's called Chadwick Crossing, and this is in the elite section of Tiburon. Tiburon is a very large master planned community, but this section is gated. The views of these homes are stunning because many of them are seated right next to the golf course. Now, I don't have any data as far as the exact pricing on this neighborhood because no homes have sold in the last year in this section of Tiburon, but I would estimate based on other comparable sales in the area, homes would sell for about 2 to 3.5 million in this section based off other gated neighborhoods and Tiburon. This next neighborhood is highly regarded in Southlake. It's one of the older established neighborhoods, and it's the only neighborhood that's gated and guarded in Southlake. Now, if you want more neighborhoods to choose from or more contemporary homes, then maybe you would consider Westlake, which is right on the border of Southlake. Maybe Flower Mound, they have some beautiful gated guarded neighborhoods up there. But for Southlake, this is it, gated and guarded, and it's called Monticello Estates. Homes in Monticello range from 1.5 to 2.5 million, and the median age is 1994. So if you buy a home in this neighborhood, you may have to do a little bit of updating depending on the previous owner, but it is a beautiful treed neighborhood. In fact, it's so treed with my drone, I could not get very many good shots of the homes because there's trees everywhere, but that's a really good thing, especially for an older home that maybe the energy efficiency isn't up to the standards as they are today if you built a new home. Most of these homes are on 1/3 acre lots, a little bit bigger than 1/3 of an acre, and the median square footage is about 5,500 with most of the homes coming with 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, and 3 car garages. Oh, by the way, my name is Dana Pollard. I'm a real estate agent in Southlake, Texas, and I do sell the surrounding cities as well. So if you are looking to buy a home in Southlake or Westlake, Colleyville, Keller, Trophy Club, Flower Mountain, Frisco, all these neighboring cities, fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below and we can schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation or a phone call to talk about what you are looking for in your home. I'd be so happy to help. One on the list is a little special because this is a gated active adult community. You have to be 55 years old or plus to live in this community, and it's called Southlake Village. Southlake Village, it's beautiful with 33 custom cottages, and it's right next to Watermere, but it's not a part of the Watermere Clubhouse and Condominium Association. So you don't pay those extraordinary HOA fees, but you also don't get all the cool amenities if you're looking at Watermere. Homes here range from about $800,000 to $1.3 million. They're beautiful custom homes. You may see a home built in 2006, but you also may see a home built in 2019. But it's a really cute community. HOA dues are $2,500 a year right now, and that does include front yard maintenance. Now for the backyards, there's only 2 homes in this entire section that have pools, so do keep that in mind if you do want a pool. There's only 2 homes and they're not available right now. But this may be a great opportunity if you are looking at settling down in Southlake with an active adult community. It also includes shared access to the tennis court, a private fishing lake, and a covered pavilion. There are more great gated communities in Southlake, so to get the full list and video, click the link below or go to southlakedream.com/gated, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Next up is Stony Brook. I love Stony Brook. This is a gated neighborhood with beautiful, like 1/3 to half-acre lots, and they're new homes. If you wanted to buy a lot in Stony Brook, you still could. They're in the 5s. I want to say they started about $575 per lot, and the price range is anywhere from 2.5 minimum going on up to 3.5, maybe 4 million in this neighborhood, depending on what you want to put into your home. Beautiful walking trails. Now the thing you want to consider about Stony Brook is it is on the border of Keller and Southlake, and so this neighborhood is zoned to Keller ISD. However, you can go to Carroll ISD and enroll your kids in open enrollment if you want Carroll ISD with Southlake. But what I like is you get the choice. You are also a little further down Southlake Boulevard, a little further away from freeway access, but again, I mean, you can't go wrong moving into this neighborhood. It's beautiful and you can build exactly what you want. The next 2 gated neighborhoods are side by side, and they are right off of Continental Boulevard. Now, the reason I mentioned these 2 because they're one-street neighborhoods. One is a gated neighborhood of only 4 homes and the other has a few more. So first we have Adams Addition. Adams Addition ranges from 2.2 million to 4.6. Well, I say 4.6 because one is active on the market for 4.6 and it looks beautifully. It looks like a new home even though it's not brand new. They just remodeled it. It's gorgeous. I think it may be a little overpriced for the neighborhood, but not overpriced for Southlake. So that's why I say up to 4.6. Most of the homes in this neighborhood have 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, and 5 car garages. Few have 4 car garage. And the median square feet is 6,500. The median age is 1997. So remember, Continental Boulevard was building out in the late 90s, early 2000s, but I love Continental Boulevard because there's like these canopy trees throughout on the boulevard, on the street. So it's just a beautiful section of Southlake. And these homes are sitting on about 1 acre lots. And then right next door on 1 acre lots as well with 4 homes in the subdivision is Glory Place. It's named appropriately. These homes are anywhere from 8,000 to 10,000 square feet, and they sell around $3 to $3.5 million. If you can get lucky and score one in that neighborhood. Next up is Lakes of Paloma. Where do they get the name? I don't know. There's like one pond at the back of the neighborhood. These are on half-acre lots with an average of 5 bedrooms, 6 bath, and 3 car garages. And there are a few 6-bedroom homes, and I know many of you are looking for 6 bedrooms, and they are hard to come by. But this is one neighborhood with 6 bedrooms. The median age is 1999, and the price point is anywhere from $1.6 to $2.5 million. Next up on the list is, oh, I love this one, Matthews Court. Again, we're looking at a one-street neighborhood. It is gated, but it's beautiful. It's new, it has treed lots. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There's only 8 home sites over here, but it's so close to all the shopping, to the Southlake Town Square, Central Market, Park Village is right across the street. It's actually walking distance, so I would say maybe you'd want to take a stroll in the evening, maybe in the spring or fall when it's a little cooler, to go out to eat. But other than that, you'd still want to get in your car and drive. But it's a great, great location close to Southlake Boulevard. These homes range from 4,000 to 6,000 square feet, and the HOA is $4,500 per year. So if you are looking at buying a home in Southlake or the neighboring cities, we're talking Westlake, Colleyville, Keller, Flower Mound, Frisco, Plano. We sell really all of Dallas-Fort Worth. Fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below, and we will schedule a one-on-one, either Zoom or phone consultation. I look forward to meeting you.